Now, how to derive the formula for radius of curvature? Sir, curvature. Curvature ఏం చెప్పారమ్మా? Rate of change of bending with respect to arc. With respect to arc length of bending and angle by ds మనం derive చేయాలి. We are going to derive the formula for d psi by ds. So let us see how to get the formula. You know the formula for this limiting form. This is limit delta s tends to 0. This is the limiting notation. You know dy by dx ఎలా రాస్తారమ్మా? dy by dx అంటే limit y of x minus y of 0 by x minus 0 x tends to 0. Okay, limit h tends to 0 y of x plus h minus y of x by h. Limiting notation. Derivative nothing but slope amma. Slope మనం లిమిట్ లో చెప్పాను లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ మీకు లో. What is the differentiability అంటే ఏంటంటే f of x is said to be differentiable at the point x is equal to a if the limit f of a plus h minus f of a by h is exist. Okay, similar way limit అంటే nothing but derivative is nothing but limiting form. ఏంటది? delta s tends to 0. What is the limit of delta psi by delta s? Okay, now actually formula given directly here. I will show how this formula derived on the paper. Thank you. This is point P, this is point Q, this is point A, and the distance between AP is Q is delta S. Okay, and these are tangent lines. This makes a psi angle, and this angle. Okay, now PQ distance is delta S. See that what is the meaning of slope? Where the PQ distance is delta S. Suppose Q tends to P. What does it mean? Q tends to P ante S psi plus delta psi tends to psi. That means okay, Q tends to P means delta S tends to 0. Delta S tends to 0. At the same time, delta psi also tends to 0. That is nothing but d psi by ds. That is limit delta S tends to 0 of delta psi by delta. This is the formula for delta. Okay, now this is the given curve, our given curve, that is y is equal to f of x. Generally we represent the curve with function y is equal to f of x. Now y is equal to f of x is our given curve. Let us take at equation 1, and where this is the slope of the tangent line to the curve at the point P, where P is the point that is P of x comma y, and Q is a point which is nothing but x plus delta x, y plus delta y. Okay, now let us draw the derivation. Ikkada psi amma, ikkada angle is psi. P at the point P tangent makes psi angle with x axis ante what is tan psi? Can anybody? Students, what is the meaning of tan psi? A tangent line to the point P, slope. Very good. So tan psi nothing but slope dy by dx. So dy by dx is tan psi. If I differentiate tan psi, what do we get? With respect to s. Differentiating tan psi with respect to dx, what do we get? Secant square psi into d psi by ds. This is I want. Let us take simply, if you take d psi by ds to the outside, the remaining part will be your curvature. Curvature ante already clear cheppan. Curvature is nothing but curvature ante curvature of any curve at the point P. Curvature nothing but rate of change of bending with respect to arc length. ఇక్కడ what is the meaning of rate of change of bending అంటే psi, arc length అంటే s. సో d by ds, d psi by ds, ఇది మనకు కావాలి. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాలో ఇక్కడ ఆన్ ది రైట్ సైడ్ వస్తామా, డెరివేషన్ ఆఫ్ dy by dx is respect to x అంటే d square y by d x square, sorry, ds dx. Okay, let us differentiate with respect to x only. x చేద్దాం, with respect to x చేస్తున్నాను. చేస్తే tan psi becomes secant square psi into d psi by dx వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, సారీ dx వస్తుంది. ఇది ఈక్వల్ టు d square y by dx. ఓకే, is it okay ma? Tan psi is equal to dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x to both the side, what we get? Tan psi derivation secant square psi. Anyway, psi is a function of x again, because as x changes, the angle also change అవుతుంది కదా, point to point angle different ఉంది. So psi is the function of x also. So d psi by dx వస్తుంది కదా, is equal to this. Now here d psi by dx is equal to y double dash రాద్దాం. Let us use y double dash symbol here in this place of y double dash, dy by d square by secant square psi. ఇది ఓకేనమ్మా, ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 2 అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, this is d psi by dx. I want d psi by ds. How to get that from this term? We can use chain rule here. Students, is it expression? Students, why is breaking? Okay. Now, students, okay na? ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
సార్ లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ చెప్పండి సార్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ.
ఇది secant square psi into d psi by dx ఇది కూడా తీసామా. సో d psi by dx ను ఈ secant square I shift to this side. But d psi by dx can be written like this, just splitting to two parts using chain rule. This is called chain rule. Chain rule antunnam. So now let us take this term only, let us shift to this side. So I am going to write d psi by ds is equal to y double dash by secant square psi into ds by dx. But we know that ds by dx is nothing but under root 1 plus y dash square. This is already taught in intermediate level. This is called rate of change of arc length. Rate of change of.
సరే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పరా సార్?
Okay.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్క్ లెంత్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అండర్ రూట్ 1 ప్లస్ m స్క్వేర్ కదా సార్. ఆ m ప్లేస్ లో y డాష్ పెట్టుకోవాలి.
m అంటే స్లోప్ కదమ్మా. m అంటే ఏంటి?
ఓకే.
m అంటే స్లోప్. మన కర్వ్ ఏంటి? y స్క్వేర్ y ఫార్మ్ కదా. ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ కదా, m అంటే ఫస్ట్ డెరివేటివ్ y. ఇది ఓకేనా? ఇది మీకు ఐడియా ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. లెట్ us substitute here. ఇది y double dash. సో d psi by ds is equal to y double dash by what is secant square y sama? What is secant square? Nothing but 1 plus tan square into under root 1 plus y dash square. Now tan square si anna y dash square okate kadamma. So y double dash by 1 plus y dash square into root over 1 plus y dash square. Finally clubbing this, adding the powers, 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2. This is the formula for curvature. we denote the symbol kapha for curvature. So you can use k anochu లేదా kapha actually this is Greek letter kapha. K is equal to y double dash by 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2. This is the curvature. Just to remember this formula only, not the derivation, is not important. Just to make idea కోసం చెప్పాను, but this is not in the syllabus. Only you have to remember the formula. What is the formula for curvature? K is equal to y double dash by 1 plus y dash whole square to the power of 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2. Next. Now let us come to the main point topic, radius of curvature. ఇది మనకు కావాల్సింది. What is the radius of curvature? Very simple. Radius of curvature is nothing but reciprocal of curvature. We use the symbol radius of curvature is rho. We use the rho symbol, that is 1 by radius of curvature. And let us just whatever we derive the formula, write this reciprocal. అంటే 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. This is the radius of curvature formula. Radius of curvature is nothing but reciprocal of curvature. What is curvature? K. What is K? Y double dash by this. So just write the reciprocal. Remember these two formulas. We are going to use this formula in the further topic. Radius of curvature is nothing but rate of change of arc length. అంటే d psi ds by d psi formula ఇది రివర్స్ రాస్తున్నాం. ds by ds ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? how to read it mathematically? Rate of change of arc length with respect to bending. Rate of change of bend. Just repeating.
Sir, voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah, I will share on the desktop. I will stop the share on my mobile, then it will clear. Just wait for some time. I'm going to open the mail. Is it okay, ma? వినిపిస్తుందా? Students, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let us discuss. So formula for radius of curvature is 1 plus y dash square అంటే dy by dx whole square into 3 to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash అంటే d square by dx square. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏందమ్మా? To find the radius of
సార్ ఒకసారి కర్వేచర్ చెప్పండి సార్ ఒక్కసారి.
కర్వేచర్ అంటే సింపుల్ అమ్మా. కర్వేచర్ అంటే am I audible? వినిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
రైట్. కర్వేచర్ అంటే ఒకటే అన్నమాట. కర్వేచర్ అంటే రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ బెండింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఆర్క్ లెంత్. రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ బెండింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఆర్క్ లెంత్. కర్వేచర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ బెండింగ్. ఇది బెండింగ్ అనేది యాంగిల్ కదా, యాంగిల్ మనం బెండింగ్ అంటాం. యాంగిల్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా, బెండ్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. సో రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ బెండింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది కర్వ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఇట్స్ ఆర్క్ లెంత్. ఈ ఆర్క్ లెంత్ ప్రకారం బెండింగ్ చేంజ్ అవుతుందమ్మా. సో దీన్ని మనం వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ కర్వేచర్. కర్వేచర్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద నోటేషన్ ఫర్ కర్వేచర్? సింబాలిక్ ఫార్మ్ d psi by ds. d psi by ds. దీని డెరివేషన్ హౌ టు డిరైవ్ అంటే సింపుల్. వి టేక్ ద కర్వ్ ఈక్వేషన్ యాజ్ y is equal to f of x. ఇది ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ వి రైట్ ద స్లోప్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ ది కర్వ్ అంటే dy by dx. జనరల్లీ వి డినోట్ ద స్లోప్ విత్ tan యాంగిల్, tan theta. బట్ ఇక్కడ theta అంటే psi. సో tan psi is equal to slope y dash. m అన్నాం కదా, స్లోప్ m. ఇప్పుడు ఈ టాంజెంట్ లైన్ స్లోప్ ఎలా చేస్తారమ్మా, tan psi వస్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద tan psi? నథింగ్ బట్ స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్ P x, y అంటే y డాష్ స్లోప్. ఇంతవరకు క్లియర్ అమ్మా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఐ వాంట్ d psi by ds వాల్యూ, ఈ వాల్యూ మనకు కావాలి ఎనీవే. సో ఫర్ దిస్ I differentiate this equation with respect to x both these sides. Then what we get? Tan derivation secant square into psi with respect to x, d psi by dx is equal to d square y by dx square. So from this, shift to secant square to this side. Then what we get? Y double dash by secant square. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Now here d psi by dx ఏం రాశానంటే d psi by ds into ds by dx. Is it okay?
Okay sir.
Yeah, now if we shift to ds by dx to right side, then the only d psi by ds will left. We desire is we require this part only. So we get our required term d psi by ds తీసుకుంటే ఇది ఎక్కడ వెళ్తుంది. So that is the next step అమ్మా. That is d psi by ds is equal to y double dash by secant square psi into ds by dx. But ds by dx is the rate of change of arc length. What is that? 1 under root over 1 plus slope square. But what is the slope here? Tan theta లేదా y dash square. So ds by dx value we know. Substitute that value here. Okay. And what is secant square? Secant square nothing but 1 plus tan square psi. But what is tan psi? Tan psi ఏంటి? Again y dash. So substitute secant square place లో 1 plus y dash square into root over 1 plus y dash square. 1 plus tan square psi into 1 plus y dash square. Substitute చేసి ఇక్కడ y dash ని 1 plus y dash this is the is it okay?
Yes sir.
Radius of curvature ఏంటమ్మా? What is the meaning of radius of curvature? Reciprocal of curvature. Reciprocal of curvature. Curvature symbol k, radius of curvature symbol rho. So rho is equal to 1 by k. But already what is k value? Y double dash by 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2. Right, the reciprocal reverse. So this is the formula for radius of curvature. Okay. But we have radius of curvature in 3 forms. Radius of curvature has in 3 forms. One is Cartesian form. What is the idea? What is the meaning of Cartesian? Anybody? What is the meaning of Cartesian? Polar form.
Cartesian plane.
Yeah, xy plane. Simply xy plane, real plane. xy plane. Cartesian de x axis, y axis. This is called Cartesian symbol. ఒక పాయింట్ P తీసుకుందాం, x, y. This is Cartesian. Polar అంటే polar form is different. Polar is also like Cartesian, but polar లో we have radius of vector r ఉంటుంది. r theta. Theta. Is radius of vector length ఇది theta. This is different. R is equal to f of theta అంటాం మనం దీన్ని. మనం we call it as, we denote it. ఇదేమో y is equal to f of x. In Cartesian form, y dependent, x independent. Y in terms of x. But in polar form, r in terms of f of theta. And the third form, parametric form. So we have to remember these 3 formulas for radius of curvature. Radius of curvature formulas in Cartesian form, polar form, and parametric. What is the parametric form? X is equal to f of t. You learn about this thing in intermediate level. You all know about parabola. What is the parametric form of parabola? Students, y square is equal to f of 4ax. What is the parametric form of this? X value into y value into
280 plus t square.
Y is equal to 280. X is
80
equal to
square to 80.
square.
very good. So these are called parameters. And x and y both are represented in a parameter t. X is a function of t, y is a function of t. Substituting x and y, we get the required equation. Similarly, circle also we have the parametric form. Ellipse, okay, every curve has its own parametric form. Okay, na? So parametric form lo ila present cheyali equation. These three forms important one. So today I am going to write the formulas only. Derivation not important. Derivation ante this will lot of time, but not in the syllabus. No need, time waste. So first Cartesian form rastunnanu. Whatever we derived till now, that is only Cartesian form. Cartesian form ante xy terms కనిపిస్తారమ్మా. So radius of curvature in the Cartesian form is 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. And instead of dashes I use suffix. Okay, alternate form is there, that is 1 plus x dash square to the power of 3 by 2 by x double dash. Both forms you can remember. This is in case y is equal to f of x form. This is in case x is equal to f of y. So we can express either variable. Okay, either y in terms of x or x in terms of y. This is called explicit forms. Oka function, oka variable, inko form lo manam chesukochu. Y in terms of x, suppose y is equal to 2x unamma, then x will be pi by 2. Ante x is a function of y as well as y is a function of x. So both forms we can apply. Idi eppudu apply chestamante when y double dash 0, then use this formula. Students, ఈ ఫార్ములా ఎప్పుడు వాడతామంటే y dash infinity or y double dash 0, then only we apply this formula. This is alternating formula of radius of curvature in Cartesian form, but the main formula is only this. Okay, use these two formulas. Just interchange అయ్యిందమ్మా, xy interchange అవుతాం అంతే. ఇక్కడ y dash బదులు x dash వాడాం, y double dash బదులు x double dash. Next, hello students, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? So polar form ante function ఎలా ఉంటుంది, this is the form equation ఎలా ఉంటుంది, curve equation ఎలా ఉంటుంది. In the polar form, this is the presentation of curve equation. R is equal to f of theta. What is the polar form? Actually I will give just detailed information. Actually Cartesian form ke polar form rendu both are identical. Generally let us take a point in the Cartesian plane, xy plane, x కావా అనుకుందాం. So if I draw a line to P from origin, suppose this is the theta angle, okay, then OPQ అంటారు. Then what will be OP? How to write this? Suppose the distance is r అనుకుందాం,
x cos theta
R
plus y sin theta.
R cos theta.
r square is x square plus y square. R value x square plus y square according to ఇది x, ఈ length x అమ్మా, ఈ length y. So according to Pythagoras, okay, x square, okay na. So diagonal square is equal to adjacent length square plus, okay, opposite length square. This is Pythagoras. Okay, now x, how to represent x? R
cos theta.
And y is equal to r sin theta.
Sin
Am I right? So now what is the polar form ante polar form lo ee x లు y లు కనిపించవు, ఓన్లీ r theta కనిపిస్తుంది. So theta is equal to 0. This is the radius vector r distance. This is our curve f of theta, and this is origin, but ikkada we call it as pole. This is origin, and in the polar form we call it as pole అంటుంది, pole. This is called initial line, theta value 0, initial line. So theta will increase like this as we rotate this curve in this way anti-clockwise. Theta will be increase, theta to 0. This is theta is equal to 90 degrees. ఇక్కడ theta 90 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ theta 180 degrees ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ theta 270 degrees ఉంటుంది. Again theta 360 degrees అంటే 0 to 360 degrees. As theta rotates, the radius vector length will be changed. అంటే r depends on theta. So finally we represent the curve is r is equal to f of theta. ఇక్కడ y is equal to f of x. If you draw, this is a function, ఇది మనం ఏం రాస్తాం ఈ ఫంక్షన్ y is equal to f of x. y is equal to f of x is Cartesian function or if f of x is polar function. Polar అంటే r theta terms ఉంటాయి, r dependent and theta independent, r dependent and theta independent variable. Okay, now what is the radius of curvature formula in case the curve is in polar form? That is, okay, ఎవరు ఇచ్చిరు? theta square, sorry, r square plus r dash square to the power of 3 by 2 by r square plus 2r1 square minus r2. This is the formula. In the curve is in polar form, until r is equal to f of theta, this is the formula for radius of curvature. What is that? R square plus r1 square to the power of 3 by 2 by r square plus 2r1 square minus r1 r2. ఇక్కడ what is r1? r1 అంటే dr by d theta. r2 means d square r by d theta square. ఇక్కడ x బదులు theta, y బదులు r ఉంటుంది. That is the only change. Okay, students, formula idea ఉంది. Try to remember this formula. You are supposed to remember these formulas: Cartesian form radius curvature, polar form radius of curvature formula, and parametric form. Okay, students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Start presenting on the mobile. Now I'm going to start presentation on the desktop. Then there will be no voice break, I think. Yeah. Now presentation కనిపిస్తుందా స్క్రీన్ పైన? Can you see the screen? Presentation, right. Now formula of evaluation of radius of curvature when the equation of the curve in the polar form. See this formula: r square plus r1 square to the power of 3 by 2 by r square plus 2r1 square, where r1 అంటే dr by d theta, r square అంటే r double dash అంటే or r2 అన్నా కూడా just suffix అన్నా dashes అన్నా రెండు ఒకటే, d square r by d theta square. Now let us find the radius of curvature of some curves. అది polar form లో ఉంటే polar form లో వాడదాం, Cartesian form లో ఉంటే Cartesian form లో వాడదాం. If they are in parametric form, parametric form. Sorry, మర్చిపోయాను, parametric form లో ఇదమ్మా. This is the parametric formula. Yeah, this is the parametric. See, parametric formula, if the equation of the curve is given in parametric form, x is equal to x of t, y is equal to, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటమ్మా పారామీటర్ t. T is the parameter, అంటే x and y variables both are represented in a parameter t. In such case, already you know very well how to convert, how to transform Cartesian curve to parametric, parametric to Cartesian. ఇంతకుముందే డిస్కషన్, పారాబోలా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు y square is equal to 4ax, we can convert parabola to parametric form by substituting x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Is it okay? Similarly, when ellipse given x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Cheppanamma, what is the parametric form of ellipse? Students, parametric presentation of ellipse. Students, is my voice clear, amma? Please give oral information. I cannot see the chart of your. Hello. Give reply. Am I audible or not? Just to listen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I'm saying that you know very well about parametric and Cartesian transformation. Am I right? ఎల్లిప్స్ తీసుకుందాము. ఎల్లిప్స్ లో పారామీటర్ చెప్పండి. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ బై బి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఉంటే వాట్ ఈస్ పారామెట్రిక్ ఫార్మ్?
A cos theta, B sin theta.
సింపుల్. ఎస్, యువర్ రైట్ అమ్మా. ఏ కాస్ థీటా, బి సైన్ థీటా, థీటా పారామీటర్. సిమిలర్లీ హైపర్బోలా తీసుకుందాం. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ వై స్క్వేర్ బై బి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. స్టూడెంట్స్ టెల్ మీ.
Sir, అది polar
అమ్మా ఏంటి?
రివర్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్ అంతే sin theta cos.
నో 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 నో
మైనస్ వస్తుంది సార్.
నో 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 రాంగ్. ఎక్స్
sir,
స్క్వేర్ బై
A
ఏ
cos theta,
స్క్వేర్.
B sin theta. అది polar sir.
secant theta cosecant theta.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. నో నో కొసికెంట్ రాదమ్మా. ఏ ట్యాన్, అది ఏ సీకెంట్ థీటా, బి ట్యాన్ థీటా వస్తుంది.
Yes sir, yes.
దెన్ ఈ సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ట్యాన్ స్క్వేర్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ. యూ హావ్ టు కీప్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ ఇన్ ద మైండ్. అది యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ప్లస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అడిషన్ స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్ 1 ఉందంటే సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా, అండ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది స్క్వేర్ 1 ఉందంటే సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా మైనస్ ట్యాన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా. ఓకే. సిమిలర్లీ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద రెక్టాంగులర్ హైపర్బోలా, rectangular parabola? Anybody know the equation? What is rectangular hyperbola?
xy is equals to root 2.
A by root 2, B by root 2.
What about the equation xy is equal to c square? X into y is equal to c square?
అది rectangular equation sir.
Yeah, rectangular hyperbola. xy is equal to c square. Now tell me what are the parametric equations for rectangular hyperbola xy is equal to c square? X into y is equal to c square. I want its parametric form. So
C sin theta, C secant theta, C cosecant.
okay, so I will explain that in the example. This will come, this form, these all standard curves will come in the further class. Endukante we need to find the radius of curvature of all standard curves, means curve, circle, ellipse, hyperbola, rectangle hyperbola, parabola two forms untai, y square is equal to 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, everything. Okay, now first you have to remember the formulas of radius of curvature in when the curve is given in polar form, when the curve is given in Cartesian form, and curve is given in parametric form. Parametric formula గుర్తు చూడండి. Rho is equal to x2 dash square plus y dash square whole power 3/2 by x2 dash y double dash minus sign, this is not plus, minus y dash x2 double dash. x2 dash అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ dx by dt, y dash అంటే dy by dt, x double dash అంటే d square x by dt square, y double dash d square y by dt square. Okay, so till we discuss three forms: polar form, Cartesian form, and parametric form. Now some problems let us discuss. Find the radius of curvature of the curve y is equal to c cos h x by c. First you tell me what type of equation is this? Is it in polar form, is it in Cartesian form, or is it in parametric? First you must able to identify the types of curve. ఈ కర్వ్ ఏ ఫార్మ్ ఉంది చెప్పండి? కార్టీసియన్ ఉంది. కార్టీసియన్ అంటే y x. Yeah, this is hyperbolic equation, hyperbolic function, hyperbolic cosine ఉంది. So y is equal to c into hyperbolic cosine x by c. Now first to write the formula. What is the formula? 1 plus y dash square power 3/2 by d square y by dx square. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం కావాలమ్మా? y dash ఏంటి, y double dash ఏంటి కావాలి. For that, use the given equation only. Whatever the equation you are given, differentiate that. One time you get y dash, differentiate that again you get y double dash. That's it. Substitute those values in the formula. That is your radius of curvature. Let us find dy by dx first. Differentiating y, we get c sin hc by c into 1 by c. So cancel out here. Sin x by c. Okay. Next, differentiating again with respect to x. What is the derivative of sin h? Cos. But in case plane trigonometric function, derivative of cos is minus sign. But in hyperbolic, derivative of cos is plus sign. See the difference. Okay. So we got to dy by dx, d square by dx square. Now substitute chedam equation lo. 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. So what we get after simplification, you know that 1 plus sin square h theta is cos square h theta. Same. By cos h. మనం simplify చేస్తే cos h cube x by c by 1 by c cos h of x by c. Finally, we got c cos h square by x by c. This is the radius of curvature. Next, now this is important. E question is question. Parabola chestundi ikkada. Find the radius of curvature of at any point on the parabola. Parabola ante y square is equal to 4x. You tell me this parabola, what is the tangent line to this parabola at origin? Around the shape is it? What is the shape of this parabola?
Y axis.
Y axis and y square is equal to 4ax. So this is lies on y axis or lies on x axis? Above x axis or right? That's call important. Now కావాల్సింది అంటే concave upward concave sideward. Sideward అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం y axis అనేది దీనికి tangent ఉంటుంది 0 దగ్గర. Okay, right. So y square is equal to 4x. Now given curve y square is equal to 4x, to find the radius of curvature, we need two quantities. Those are y dash value, y double dash value. So to get y dash, y double dash, let us use the given equation. By differentiating once, we get y dash. By differentiating again, we get y double dash. So that is the procedure. Differentiating the function given equation with respect to x once, we get 2y into y dash is equal to 4a. Shifting 2y to the left side, right side, we get y dash is equal to 2a by y. Okay, now again differentiating this dy by dx with respect to x, then what we get? D square y by dx square is equal to 2a constant, but 1 by y derivation minus 1 by y square into dy by dx. But what is dy by dx value? 2a by y. Substitute that value here. In place of dy by dx, put 2a by y. Then we get minus 4a square by y cube. Okay, Nama? Students?
Yes, sir.
ఇది అర్థమైంది డెరివేషన్ y డాష్ అంటే y డబల్ డాష్ అంటే
Yes, sir.
మీకు మొత్తం ఇదే ఉంటుందమ్మా మీ సిలబస్ ఈ టాపిక్ లో ఇదే చేయాలి మీరు y డాష్ y డబల్ డాష్ చేయడం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తుంచుకుంటే చాలు ఓకే నౌ లెట్ us substitute the values in the formula 1 plus y dash square power 3 by 2 by y double dash. Substituting y dash y double dash, so we get y square plus 4a square to the power of 3 by 2 by y square power 3 by 2 into y cube by 4a square. ఇక్కడ y cube cancel అవుతుంది. Finally, the remaining term y square plus 4a square whole power 3 by 2 by 4 minus 4a square. Okay. Next. Further simplification ఇక్కడ 4a y square place మనం ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. What is the parabola equation? Y square is equal to 4x. Now substitute 4ax in place of y square in the bracket. Then we get 4a square plus 4ax plus 4a square to the power of 3 by 2. What is the common term in the numerator? 4a. Take 4a outside. Then we get 4a power 3 by 2 into x plus a power 3 by 2 by 4a. Finally, complete simplification law is a step. This is the final answer. That is 2 by root a into x plus a to the power of 3 by 2. So now on the parabola, at any point of x, we can compute the radius of curvature. At x is equal to 0, at the origin, what is the parabola? What is the radius of curvature of parabola? Ante simple. Substitute cheyandi kada 2 by root a into 0 plus a power 3 by 2. Ante we get 2a, 4 distance. That is the parabola radius of curvature. Similarly, we can find the curvature of any type of curve. One more example given. Find the radius of curvature of the curve, that is y is equal to x square into x minus 3 at the point where the tangents are parallel to the x axis. Students, what is the meaning of tangents are parallel to the x axis? Any idea?
Slope 0, sir.
Very good. Tangents are parallel to x axis and slope 0 ante slope ante enti dy by dx. So just to set dy by dx is equal to 0. Set dy by dx is equal to 0. Solve for xy. Let us see that. So now, since the tangents are parallel to x axis, that means y constant. That means dy by dx is equal to 0. By simplifying this, we get 3x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, the 0 దగ్గర y value 0. And x is equal to 2 దగ్గర y value minus 4. So ఇప్పుడు చెప్పడం పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి? What are the points? Students.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ వచ్చాయి మనకు? How many points we got? We obtained here?
2 points.
Those are 0, 0, 2 minus 4. Am I right? So 0, 0, 2 minus 4. Right. Now at 0, 0, at 2 comma minus 4, let us find the radius of curvature. Anyway, we need d square y by dx square value, that is 6x minus 6. Now at the point 2 comma minus 4, dy by dx value 0, that is already we obtained, and d square y by dx square value is plus 6. Now let us substitute these values in the formula. 1 plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2 by y double dash. That is 1 plus 0 square to the power of 3 by 2 by 6. Finally, the radius of curvature value is 1 by 6. Okay. One more example. Find the radius of curvature of the curve y is equal to 4 sin minus sin 2x. Students, already this I post these notes in your class work. You can check this. Okay, nama? No need a number of examples. Okay, idea unte chalu. Let us find this. This is very important curve. This is called Oersted equation. This is called Oersted. The shape of this curve will be in the form of Oersted. Okay. Find the radius of curvature of x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Students, I want to know what type of curve is this? Students, are you there?
Yes, sir.
ఇది ఏం కర్వ్ అమ్మా? ఏ కర్వ్? కర్వ్ in which form? Cartesian. Can you write the parametric form for this? Can you write a parametric form for this curve? Very important. ఇలాంటి టెక్నిక్స్ నేర్చుకోరమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు అంటే బై సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ x value y value, you supposed to get a power 2 by 3 as result. అంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేసేటట్టు మనం xy values ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. We have to identify xy value. We have to write the xy value such that this equation holds good. Very simple, amma. X is equal to a cos cube theta. Y is equal to a sin cube theta. Substitute x value a cos cube theta, y value a sin cube theta. Check that.
A power 2 by 3, sir.
Yes.
So that is called parametric form. Just to you for your information. Okay. Now let us find the rates of curvature. Similar way, differentiating once we get y dash. Differentiate them. Say 2/3 x4 2/3 minus 1 plus 2/3 y4 2/3 minus 1 into dy by dx. Now shift to dy by dx one side. The remaining part is your liquid. Okay. Next, differentiating again with respect to x. What do we get? Now using u by v rule. Y power 1/3 by x power 1/3. U by v. Now substituting, apply the formula, we get some results. And again, in this expansion derivation, wherever dy by dx, replace it with again with minus y by y power 1/3 by x power 1/3. Malli y dash substitute ikkada. Okay. So finally we get, so lengthy procedure undi. Deenikante you better to convert this equation into parametric form, that is x is equal to a cos cube theta. All of you students, ఈ యొక్క వర్క్ మీరు చేయనమ్మా, మీకు ఒక వర్క్ ఇస్తున్నాను. కన్వర్ట్ దిస్ కర్వ్ ఇంటూ పారామెట్రిక్ ఫామ్. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ పారామెట్రిక్ కూడా చెప్తున్నాను. x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. చేసి పారామెట్రిక్ ఫార్ములా వాడి చేయనమ్మా. ట్రై టు గెట్ ద రిజల్ట్. ఐ వాంట్ రో వాల్యూ ఇన్ పారామెట్రిక్ ఫామ్. ఓకే, ఇది ట్రై ఎట్ హోమ్. ఓకేనా, ఈ హోంవర్క్ చేయండి, ట్రై చేయండి. చేస్తారామా?
Okay, sir.
Okay, today you practice it. Okay, now tomorrow we'll discuss some more problems. Okay, right. All of you give your.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I am searching this copy.
Right.